Hey there. In this video, we're going to show you how to unsave a picture from a collection in Instagram. This feature allows you to easily remove a picture from a collection if you no longer need it. Let's get started. To begin, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in the app, go to the profile picture icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the 3 stacked lines menu to open a menu. Then, pick the collection where the picture you want to unsave is located. Once you've selected the collection, tap on the picture you want to unsave. Then, tap on the bookmark icon located below the photo. To unsave the picture, tap on the same bookmark icon until it becomes an outline. This will remove the picture from the collection. You can also choose to unsave the picture from all your saved posts by tapping on the Remove from Saved option. This will remove the picture from all your saved posts, not just the collection. It's important to note that once you unsave a picture, it will be removed from the collection and you won't be able to access it again unless you save it again. By following these simple steps, you can easily unsave a picture from a collection in Instagram. This is a useful feature if you want to keep your saved photos organized and remove any pictures you no longer need. It's important to keep in mind that if you accidentally unsave a picture, you can always save it again by tapping on the bookmark icon below the photo. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials on Instagram and other social media platforms.